Have you wondered how to use a filter function to perform this filter dynamically like this? Let's learn it now. In this video, I will show you how to use the Excel filter function to create dynamic filters in your spreadsheet. You can see this worksheet which I am going to use in this video contains list of products and their category and region. I want to set up this sheet like this so that if you want to see the list of product by region or category, then dynamic list should be produced to review the data. There is a way to achieve this without using the filter function. I could select the columns heading and I could go to Home tab, then click on Sort and Filter, and then click on Filter to filter out specific region I am looking for. But this would require more work compared to what we can achieve with filter function. Let me undo this by pressing Ctrl Z and show you the filter function instead. I am going to cell under the region and type equals filter. You can see Excel shows this function. This is fairly new function, and if you have Microsoft 365, you have access to that function. After typing filter, I will put left parenthesis. Next I need to provide an array. As you see here, Excel expects an array. Here I have specified the range of the data for this array. No need to select the column heading, but everything else, like here, I am selecting all the data by pressing mouse button and dragging it till the end which I want to include in the range. Instead of selecting the range, you could type the range as well, like A2 through D51, but clicking and dragging is easier sometime because you get a chance to see what you are selecting in your range. Then press comma, and now Excel is asking to provide the information for include. What it means here is, what range do I want Excel to examine to look for a particular word, like in this category particular region or category is listed. So I'm going to click and drag on the data in column C for region from C2 through C51, and now I can put some logical test, like I can say, are any of those data in column C has word East? Just put in quotes, and then put comma, and next Excel expects to have something in here, in case result comes up empty. What if none of the region name in column C has region name East? Well, in that case, I will put not found in quotation mark, then put right parenthesis and hit enter. It identifies all the products in East region. At this point, I will revert this by pressing Ctrl Z to undo that, because I want to show you how to handle this differently and more effectively. Let me type again, equals filter, left parenthesis, select the range as I did before, either by dragging through the mouse or by entering the range, then put comma. For the include section, again I will select the range of column and then put equals. And now here, instead of putting word East, I can put cell like K2 or I5. I can just type in the cell number, and what it means, that Excel will look that anything in the list of column is equal to whatever is in cell I1. After that, put comma, and put text not found in quotation mark as we did before, and add right parenthesis and hit enter. It's showing not found, because we don't have anything in cell I1. Let's put some text. Let me add South and hit enter. See, it shows all the products from South region. Let me type West, and you see data is changing based on the value I enter in cell I1. This is amazing. Every time you type a region, it shows the product details of respective region. Let's make it better. Instead of typing the region every time to change the region, let's use a pre-filled list. To do that, let me add a list of regions in the separate column. I give column heading as region and type all the regions. Then click on cell I1 to add a region selection list here. Then go to Data tab, click on Data Validation and select Data Validation. In the opened window, select List from Allow Selection drop-down list. Then click on Source and select the range of region and hit OK. Now region selection list is ready for the use. Now, let's see if you can add one more component to this dynamic filter function. Would it be possible for me to create a dynamic filter to not only filter the data based on region but also consider category? Like if I want to see the products list for North region in Office category. Let's see if we can do that. If you recall, I have added my filter function in cell H2. When click on cell H2, it shows the formula in formula bar, and what I would like to do here is, say, I want to filter the same range, and I want to keep the current condition of having region equal I1, and at the same time, I want to filter based on category. In order to do this correctly, I need to put my first include in parenthesis. So I have do that. How do I say, and I want to search this? It's request to I1 and also include in search whatever is in N1. In order to get this, you will have to put asterisks and then add another include with left parenthesis and then now select the range of category which is in column B. So again, I will hold the mouse and drag it all the way down to select the value of column B and then type equals and give the cell name, which is N1 in this case, and close with right parenthesis and hit enter. This tells function to filter the data with matching both the conditions, which is region as well as category. You would notice that filter result says not found. It's because now filter is combining both the condition of region and category and searching in the data range and not finding the matching dataset, because category is still blank. Let's type category name and see the list is populated. Now your filter is ready for use. Try to changing the value of region from list as well as type different value in category and your filtered data is changed. So, this is a dynamic filter that I have created using the Excel filter function. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in next video.